Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone! Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another fun-filled DIY. I call all my DIYs fun-filled because I enjoy doing them. They soothe me, they relax me, you know, and I am a diva on a budget. So I do like looking at things and trying to make them for myself. And it has a unique touch when you make it. Yeah, different from the everyday stuff that's exactly in the store, because whoever makes it, they add their own touch to it and a different spin, and it turns out very nice. Yeah, so that's why I like sharing it with you guys, and then you could do it exactly the same or add your own touch. Yeah, and make something unique and elegant for your home on a low budget like me. Yes. All right, everyone, let's get into the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, here's the items we'll be using for today's DIY, and everything will be listed down below so you can see where I got them from. And you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by painting our canvas board with this acrylic white paint. And our canvas board is 18 by 24. I'm just adding the white paint because it's kind of grainy, so the white paint will make it look a little bit more neater. And now it's all dry. And I don't know if you can see it, but now it's nice and smooth, not grainy anymore. I did put 2 coats of our paint. So now we are going to take our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled that I cut into strips, and we're going to put it out, laid out on a pattern onto our canvas board. And now we are going to take some hot glue and glue down our strips. And I'm gonna, I don't know if you saw, but I went right around the side of the canvas board with the strips, so it looks neat on the edges when we're finished. And I'm using the hot glue like I said, and you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project. And now that I'm all done, you can see I brought them right to the sides. Right to the sides, I brought them down just like this. And now we are going to use some thinner, 1 strips. Yeah, 1 strips of our bling wrap. We're going to add that to our design. The other strips were 3 strips. Now I'm doing the 1 layer of strip only. So I'm just going to place them down to figure out a pattern that I like. And here's the pattern that I came up with. But I think I'm going to leave, I'm taking out these 2. So they're each single strips instead of 2. I was going to do them with 2 strips, but I think it looks better with single strips. And then I'm going to add some more to the corners here. Yeah, so I'm going to start to glue down the corners and then glue down our single strips that I have down. And now I took some of the this mirror strip here, and I broke them into the individual pieces and placed them on the boards. And now I'm going to be using these gems here and adding to our decor. I'm just going to repeat the pattern on both sides of the board. Okay, here's the board after I glued them down. Now I'll be adding a mirror to the center of our design. And I'm just going to use some hot glue. Again, any adhesive that you'd like to use is fine. And I'll be adding these gems, my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled. And here is our finished look. I like how it turned out, a nice glam, an elegant piece of wall decor to help spruce up our home. You know, we're all divas on a budget. And I think it turned out very nice. And here it is hanging on the wall. Doesn't it look nice, you guys? I think it looks so super nice and cute. I love how it turned out. I think it looks really nice with the strips and all the gems put together, and then the mirror and our bling gems from Totally Dazzled. I think it looks very nice. A lovely piece of wall decor. You could place it anywhere throughout your home. It's absolutely beautiful. You know I'm a diva on a budget, so I'm always looking ways to find some nice decor to spruce up my home. Because when your home looks nice to how you like it, you feel really good. It makes you feel absolutely joyful to be in your home and sit down and look at what you've done and how you've fixed up your home to your liking. And that would make anyone feel really, really, really good. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIY. Yeah, our glam piece of wall decor for their home. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of it. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.